Imagine a landscape that doesn't break the bank but still radiates charm and elegance. Sounds good? Well, you're at the right place. Today we delve into the art of budget landscaping, a concept that brings together the best of aesthetics and affordability. It's all about enhancing the beauty of your home without letting your wallet feel the pinch. With smart planning and creative ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a serene haven. So stick around as we unravel the secrets to creating a beautiful landscape on a budget. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for your home. Diving into the world of budget landscaping, it's essential to understand some basics. Landscaping is more than just arranging plants in your garden. It's about creating a space that resonates with your personal style and functions effectively for you and your family. The first step is planning. Sketch out your yard and note down areas that receive sunlight and shade, high and low points, and existing features like trees or a patio. This will help you choose the right plants and design for each area. Next, consider using native plants. They are often less expensive, require less water and maintenance, and are more resistant to local pests and diseases. And of course, they contribute to preserving the local ecosystem. Recycling materials is another effective strategy for budget landscaping. Old bricks, tiles, or wood can be repurposed into charming pathways or garden borders. Even everyday items like an old wheelbarrow can become a unique flower planter. Creativity and resourcefulness are your best tools when working on a budget. Use what you already have and think outside the box. How about creating a rock garden from stones you've collected? Or using a tree stump as a rustic garden seat? Remember, a beautiful landscape doesn't always require a hefty budget, just a dash of creativity and resourcefulness. Now that you're familiar with the basics, it's time to explore some top budget landscaping ideas. It's all about using what you have creatively and choosing cost-effective materials and plants to enhance your outdoor space. Let's start with gravel. This versatile material is cost-effective and can add a rustic charm to your landscape. You can use it to create pathways, patios, or even a Zen garden. It requires little maintenance and provides excellent drainage, making it a great choice for areas where grass struggles to grow. Next up are wildflowers. Their natural beauty can bring your garden to life, and they're usually low maintenance and drought resistant. You can buy wildflower seed mixes that are tailored to your region's climate and soil conditions. Sowing these seeds will not only add color to your landscape, but also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Creating a focal point in your landscape is another budget-friendly idea. This could be a tree, a statue, a bird bath, or even a brightly colored bench. It's all about drawing the eye and creating interest. Remember, it doesn't have to be expensive. You can repurpose an old piece of furniture or use a striking plant you already have. Lastly, don't overlook the potential of recycled materials. Old bricks, timber, or even bottles can be used to create unique garden beds, borders, and paths. Not only will you be saving money, but you're also helping the environment by reducing waste. In implementing these ideas, remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how you use what you have. Start small, be patient, and allow your landscape to evolve over time. You'll be surprised at what you can achieve with a little creativity and elbow grease. These ideas prove that with a little imagination, you can transform your landscape into a captivating space. Creating a beautiful landscape is one thing, but maintaining it on a budget is another. In the world of landscaping, maintenance is key, and it doesn't always have to break the bank. Firstly, let's discuss composting. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on commercial fertilizers, why not create your own compost? It's a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps and garden waste into nutrient-rich soil. Plus, it's an earth-friendly practice that reduces waste and promotes healthy plant growth. Next, let's talk about efficient watering. Water is a precious resource and a major part of your landscaping budget. Consider investing in a drip irrigation system or a timer for your sprinklers. These methods can help you to use water more efficiently, saving you money in the long run. And remember, early morning or late evening watering can reduce evaporation and make the most of your water usage. Now, on to seasonal care. Each season brings its own challenges and opportunities for landscape maintenance. From springtime pruning to winter mulching, staying on top of seasonal tasks can keep your landscape looking its best all year round. Plus, regular maintenance can prevent costly issues down the line, like overgrown plants or diseased trees. Finally, remember that maintenance is an ongoing process. Spend a little time each week tending to your landscape. Regular weeding, trimming, and cleaning can make a big difference in the overall appearance and health of your yard. With these maintenance tips, your landscape can continue to shine without draining your wallet. So, there you have it, the best budget landscaping ideas to transform your home. From understanding the basics to exploring top-notch ideas and maintaining your landscape, we've journeyed through the potential of budget landscaping. Remember, a touch of creativity and a dash of effort can work wonders in enhancing the beauty of your home, even on a budget. What are your thoughts on these ideas? We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home living tips and tricks.